I believe when it comes to FMCG companies in India, supply chain is a very important and big part of the entire business, and so are the consumers, right? Because the end users are the consumers, and I feel if the business is consumer centric, and one of the core values is satisfying the consumers.
Right.
All of the other things kind of come into place, or they are put into place by sometimes having to incur losses, which is temporary, but at the same time, you are keeping your consumers satisfied. And sometimes having fail safe mechanisms like having plan Bs or having backups. For example, when it comes to our business, we rely on multiple sources for our raw materials and not just single sources, which allows us to have a plan B or a backup when we face shortages for certain raw materials.
Right.
At the same time, there can be like natural calamities because of which we can face certain uncertainties. So at the same time, having backup, or in our case, having example is having cold storage for potatoes. It helps us during the times of shortages. So having fail safe mechanisms and the priority of keeping your customers satisfied are, I think, the two top points which can help the Indian businesses
Right.
grow larger and at a global scale.
Okay.
Our company Balaji Wafers recently sold 7% stake to GA.
Yeah.
So we do have professionals coming in, but any family business is not just built with purpose, but it's also built with a lot of intention, a lot of hard work, a lot of emotions, right? So the vision that a founder has, or the generations of the family has for the company, is something that should be uh, always left on to the family, because the way they see the business is not just from the professional perspective but also from their personal point of view. It's like a baby for them.
Yeah.
Right? And to achieve that vision, or to move towards the direction of that vision, the short term goals can be left on to the professionals. Right? It can be divided into 2-3 years goals to eventually reach the destination of the long term vision, which is set by the founders. So yeah, I think the vision should be left to the founders, and the ways to achieve it can be left on to the promoters.